Working in tech is obviously very stressful, and that's why I've opted to get out of the office for a bit today and into the great outdoors. But being out of the office doesn't mean that I'm out of touch with my Pure storage. Here, let me introduce you to my trail buddy, the Pure1 Mobile App. No, it obviously doesn't repel mosquitoes and bears, but it does help me navigate my storage wilderness like a pro.
Start off by taking a hike to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store to download the Pure1 Mobile App. And once you get logged in, you'll get a great overview of your entire Pure storage fleet. So rather than scrolling through Instagram yet again, do something useful like scroll through the Pure1 Mobile App to see all of your critical information like open support cases, alerts, and all of your storage appliances. So now when you get called out for being on your phone too much, say, hey, I'm working. Now leave me alone. And just like your favorite social media app, there's trending in Pure1, so you can see your top threes for performance like latency, bandwidth, IOPS, and load across your reads, writes, multi-writes, and others, which are things like file system operations. And then there's also forecasting too, to see what's going to happen in the future. What arrays are going to be more than 90% full and how long is it going to take them to get there, as well as who's my busiest arrays and how can I help to lighten their load. And then our current capacity and who's over provisioned and who's growing the most. Squash. And for those of you who are security minded, you can keep an eye on your protection groups and what is the latest RPO for those and see who's lagging behind. And if you're in the mood for a little interrogation, you can take a look at any individual array that you have in your environment, whether it's Flash Array or Flash Blade. And now check this out, you can sort your appliances by name or performance, or what's even cooler is the filter. So filter for open support cases, has alerts, or even by location. So let's take a look at all of our arrays that have critical alerts here, and we're gonna pick on dog food bacon. And the critical alert here is, oops, our support contract has expired, so maybe you want to take care of that. You can also get all of your capacity, latency, IOPS, bandwidth, and load information for each of your arrays, as well as something really cool. You can also enable remote assist. So if you're, for example, lost in the woods somewhere and still need support on your arrays, you can enable that just like you are in the office. Don't worry, we won't tell anybody.
Now, obviously, you're going to want to use your phone for other things like taking just amazing selfies. And Pure1 can grab your attention with alerts. And if you run into a snag and need assistance, you can always open up a support case right from within the mobile app from anywhere. Just don't use it to get rescued from the woods. And where's that damn trail? So what are you waiting for? Download the Pure1 mobile app today. Who knew that managing storage could be as easy as taking a walk in the woods? I'm so glad you wandered onto this episode of Digital Bytes, and until I see you in the next episode, stay pure.